We are with Coach JL from the Springfield Lasers. I'm Miriam Sopel for WTT.com. Coach, how does it feel to win tonight at the Sport Times?
Yeah, it's been great for us. We've lost a lot of close matches. Last night we went in the last match with 16 all. We lost it in a breaker, and tonight it was close. Martina came back. She won 5-0, and then the boys got broken first game. So I was a little nervous, but at the end they came through, and it's good for the team to win. We need a few wins, and we go back home tomorrow night to play against the Freedom. So hopefully we can get a few more wins on the road.
Yeah, tonight you had a good lead and you saw them come back thanks to Martina Hingis in singles. So how did it feel? Were you nervous? What did you tell your players?
We knew that Martina playing singles is going to be tough for our girls, so we needed to make up a lot of games in the events leading up to the women's singles. But it was good for us that we could bring this one home. It's good for the team. Young guy Jean Anderson, he came in yesterday for the first time after I pulled my hamstring. Paul Handley hurt his shoulder, so he subbed for him, and I thought he really did well. He played a great game tonight, and also awesome for him to get the opportunity to play against John McEnroe.
So yeah, how is it to play against John McEnroe? He's an icon of tennis, and how do you feel coaching a team that plays against him?
I was fortunate. I played. When he was playing, I was playing against him. So for me it was all right. For these guys, it's unbelievable. They always see him on TV and see the highlight shows when he played at Wimbledon, US Open. So for these guys, it's unbelievable, and it's great. After the match, the way he talks to them and motivates them. So he's an inspiring ambassador for tennis, and we need more people like that.
What are your goals for the rest of the season?
Well, this is only our third win. The Western Conference, the teams it's not one team that's dominating. So hopefully, if we can get maybe 5, we actually have to win every match we play now to get into the playoffs. But every match we win gets a little confidence to the rest of the team, and hopefully we can do it.
Okay, good job tonight, and thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.